So as my channel grows, I think it's time I take you out of this office. We go see some actual properties and see what it's like in the field to be a realtor. I've got this perfect opportunity. My good friend Thuany found my YouTube channel and wanted me to come tour the building with her. And the biggest thing about this building is they're doing no credit check, no questions asked financing. All you gotta do is show up with 40 to 50% down and it's yours. So welcome to Parque Towers.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, cause I can feel the energy. Cause I can feel the energy. I've met my demons one too many times. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome.
We'll come back in to check this unit out, but first let's get to what really matters. Let's check out the view. This is the cheapest unit with the water view and everything?
Cheapest unit with both water views.
Huh. In the mix. We're in the mix.
We are at the Billionaire's Beach.
Love it. Love
Yeah.
it. This is the cheapest unit at $850,000. As you can see, it doesn't have any flooring yet. The floors will come in, and if I'm not mistaken, the owner can choose the floors that go in. Oh. Does it go? Oh. Okay. Okay. And this one being the cheapest one being $850,000. What's the association fee?
It's $1,100.
And what does that include?
Housekeeping, car wash, flower service, butler service, 5 pools, one of them is resistant pool, the other one is big pool. It includes a limo to the beach.
A limo? Oh wow. Oh wow. I thought the other one was the master.
No, this one's
This is clearly the master. And you don't need a shower curtain or anything. It just doesn't come over here.
if some people, they like to close it down. I think like this looks so cool.
That's so-
modern.
Oh.
So this is a bigger unit.
These are really high baseboards compared to traditional baseboards. The high ones give it a more modern and luxurious look. Also, if you look at the color on the walls, they're not white, they're not gray. That's actually white paint that they mix a little bit of black paint in. You'll see that a lot in luxury housing. It just makes the molding pop and gives it more of a cleaner feel.
The layout is different because it's a corner unit.
Right.
That one was one of the middle units.
Right. I noticed there's speakers in the ceiling. Is that everywhere or just in the bathroom?
It's a surround system. They have it.
Throughout the unit?
The unit, yes.
Wow. Okay, and the...
So you can play music and do it. This is an electronic toilet, so it washes itself.
Does it? Representing with Dove. I like it. I
Yeah,
like
you
it.
see?
Yes. Keeping it real. Oh, this is
Already
a
with
huge
the
third room.
wall, the ensuite bathroom, closets. This unit come all furnished.
Oh, the furniture comes with it, and it's brand new furniture, never used.
It's designed by Stephen G.
Okay.
It's a very high-end designer here in Miami, very famous.
Are the blinds automatic?
They are automatic.
Cool.
I don't even know how they got the TV in the corner like that. I have never seen a TV on the pillar, and just the thought to put it on the pillar is genius on Stephen G's part. So kudos to you, Stephen G.
It's better than anything I would have done, so definitely. Is that like a little switch? Oh, look at that. Okay, that's cool. I like that this one has the door. Nice. Is this a little design book? Okay, I see.
Do you want to take one?
I do want to take one.
You know I'm gonna take some free stuff. I love how bright these units look with the floor-to-ceiling windows all over. I can't fathom any reason to close the blinds being how high I am. I wouldn't care. If I'm in a unit like this, you can just see me in all my business.
It's gonna be a doozy.
4.
Okay.
So you have this open living room area connected to the kitchen. It's beautiful Italian kitchen with the Catalaka marble. Then you have Wolf and Sub-Zero wine cooler. You have a double Sub-Zero refrigerator as well. Here you can fit 400 bottles of wine.
Just in that one.
Storage. Yeah, so you can storage. And beautiful marble with wood dining table. It's a great view. You can actually see downtown from here.
Okay, that's what we want. That's what we want.
Just want to go out.
Yeah. Whew. That is huge.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I would go this way first.
Okay.
So I'm going to take you now to the first gas bedroom, if you can even call that.
Probably.
This unit we have 3 masters.
Okay.
This would be one of our guest bedrooms. So you can notice like the doors are all wood. You have a huge marble flooring. You have a wall coverage. Those are different styles because it's a platinum unit that we call it. It's our high end.
And you got the speakers in the ceiling all over.
Yeah,
I
all
love
of
it.
them have speakers.
Okay.
We have a nice closet here. All built in. It's all Italian.
Nice.
Now we're gonna go to the first masters that we call. All those 2 closets because the lights are off now because we're doing maintenance.
Right.
But all the lights, when you walk, they turn on by itself.
Just walk in
They
there.
have a sensor. So this first one, you can actually see the ocean from your room.
You sure can. You sure. You surely
And you have a
can.
couch here. What else? You have
Where
a
else are you
couch?
gonna get a couch here? There's absolutely no other place. This is ridiculously nice. I love it. And I like how the speakers are right around the bed.
Oh,
Are they
yeah.
linked to the TV? Would you know? I don't know.
Yeah, they're all connected to the TV.
That's-
Everything is connected. You can connect by your phone.
I love it.
It's all Wi-Fi.
Shout out to the Bluetooth house.
The Bluetooth house.
Right.
Every mirror that you see that lights
Oh.
has a TV here.
There's a TV in the mirror.
There is a TV here. This is another guest bedroom. So you can also see the ocean from here.
You sure can.
Also, you can fit a queen size bed here and drawers, and you can see all the most important buildings of Sunny Isles. You have a double closet space.
Definitely.
So in this room is located all the system.
What is that?
So this is everything that happens in the house. It's the brain of the house.
Okay.
We have the sound system, the AC, the lights, everything.
Huh.
This is the second master. This one is located on the first story. As I told you, this place has 2 stories.
Nice.
So yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh, and you could go onto the balcony from here.
Every room.
Nice. I love this little wet mini bar going on in here. That's nice. 2 closets. 2 big closets.
Sensors.
Oh, so you walk in, they light up.
They light up.
Amazing. And this is the bathroom.
Beautiful masses.
There's still a TV in the YouTube right there.
Yes,
This is great.
exactly.
Okay. I might buy it.
So now let's go to the second floor.
Okay. Because this is not enough house.
Nope.
We need more.
Oh yeah, we do. And we actually really need what we have upstairs. So this is all marble.
I'm gonna take my shoes
Here.
off too. Take yours off. Damn. All right. Shoes are off. Let us go.
It's too big.
Woo! Okay, here we go.
Are you exercising enough? This place is really big.
If this doesn't count,
So you gotta
I don't know what does.
prepared.
So this second floor master bedroom can be whatever you want it to be. It can also be an entertainment space.
Us to create a third master bedroom, but you can transform as you want. If you want to transform this with a DJ, whatever.
Huh.
This bed in particular, you have a wet bar, you have a battery here, and you have an electric TV that goes down and up. If you want to watch TV or not, it actually moves back.
It'll just go totally out of the way.
Mm-hmm.
Love it. Oh, there's an outside little sink too.
Yeah,
This pool
Should
is
we go?
ridiculous. Yes.
it's a glass wall pool.
Let us go.
So your girlfriend is swimming and you
Yeah,
can
just splashing.
see her here.
Yep.
From here
I
while
sit
you're
here
watching
like,
it.
yes sir, yes sir. That's what we talking about.
You get your own glass pool. It's yours. And they'll come clean it. So on the top floor, there's 4 penthouse suites. Each suite gets their own corner of the building. So you have to imagine this entire corner of the building's roof belongs to you, and you have 2 stories of it. Remember, there's a downstairs patio and this huge thing up here. That looks like some type of Miami nightclub. They probably should have put a club up here. They had enough space, but they didn't. It's yours. You can buy and own this.
A private pool.
Oh,
Private pool.
you have your own.
On the roof.
And here again, you can still see downtown and Little River Park. You can go kayaking. You can
Right
go
downstairs.
biking. Yeah.
I love this little ledge. I feel better about being up here.
Yeah.
It's just a little safety net, you know,
Yeah.
it makes you feel more comfortable. And over here you have a little shower. Is there more house back there?
There is the storage.
Okay,
That's all the
storage.
storage.
Okay. Okay. And I love the little outdoor area.
Yeah,
That's
you can add a barbecue grill here.
So much room for activities.
okay. I love it. Oh, a whole bathroom we didn't see.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see it. Another TV? Never had too many.
Well, that was it.
Okay, good. We have wore ourselves
So
out.
this unit is being sold by 6.2 million.
Okay,
We are accepting offers.
got it. And the maintenance fee is the same?
The maintenance fee, it's not gonna be 1,100.
Okay.
I'm not sure the exact exactly number I can give to you, but I know it's not more than $4,000 a month.
Okay.
Which is great.
Right.
Which is great. On the water, you're talking about $8,000 a month for a simple unit.
Right.
We're not talking about a tower suite.
Get my boobs back. Boobs.
And that's everything. If you have any questions on Parque Towers, feel free to reach out to me. I also put Thuany's information in the bio as well. I'll put her Instagram and her YouTube channel below. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one.
We don't play.